Takot ba ang ating lipunan sa Iglesia ni Cristo? Is it because of the fact that they have block voting? And is it because they are muscle flexing na yung block voting nila may be a determinant sa mga local elections, di ba? At sa mga even sa national elections? Or are we overstating their influence? Regardless, I think no religion, no group should hold the state hostage and the society hostage just because their whims and caprice are not being heeded to by the decision makers of society who are just merely implementing what the law says, no? So takot ba tayo sa Iglesia ni Cristo? Takot ba tayo pag nagtantrum sila? Takot ba tayo na baka kung sakasakali mga politiko natin ayaw silang i-call out because baka matalo sila sa election at hindi sila endorso? Lagi na lang ba, every single time na pag may election tayo, magmamanikluhod tayo, hahalik tayo sa mga kamay nila at sisiguraduhin na makuha natin ang endorsement nila? At totoo ba yung mga akusasyon na ang hinihingi nila, let's say for example, mga positions sa gobyerno, at kung hindi, hindi tayo bobotohin, hindi sila bobotohin? Yan naman yung mga lagi natin kino-confront, di ba? And lagi na lang na minamuscle flex ng Iglesia ni Cristo itong block voting na to, and I will dare use the term, it is being weaponized against politicians to prevent them from doing their sworn obligation and mandate pursuant to our laws and our constitutions. Hanggang kailan tayo magpapa-hostage sa ganitong